Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You've got a rugged cargo surface here with your spare tire underneath, which looks to be a full-size spare, and some extra storage around that. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them. You have this button here to turn on your cargo lights so you can articulate as you need them. And then you have a 12-volt power outlet. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and I think vinyl material. And in the middle you have two cup holders with armrest, and down here you have a USB and USB-C. The backs of the front seats do have zippered pockets with some molly rigging so you can hook equipment onto there and other stuff. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your trip information, my view with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, audio controls, phone controls, and other information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down, you have your media controls as well as your hazards and your auto start stop shut off. You have a little cubby beneath that, and then further down you have your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that you have this area here with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. You also have a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C. Then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and then your GOAT mode selector. So you have normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with another USB and USB-C in there, so you can plug something in from there as well. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.